Girls. Girls. Yeah, Bentley likes to do one too. Alright guys, today is a good day because it is fan mail day.
Girls, what are we doing today? Who gets to go first?
Azzy gets to go first. Who's excited for fan mail? Who gets to open the very first package? Azzy does. Bentley's doing great. Just to give everyone an update, Bentley is doing awesome, huh, buddy? Yeah, he's so happy. All right, Azzy gets to go first. You ready, Dad?
Okay, we've got Ezzy gets to open the first gift, and this one is from Priscilla in New Mexico. Clovis, New Mexico. Okay, everybody stand back. Ezzy gets to open this one all by herself, and then everybody will share it.
Yeah.
Pull it out, Ez. What is it? What is it?
It's a candy cane.
It's a candy cane. Look, it's a candy cane decoration.
That's so cute.
You can hang it up for Christmas.
What else is in there?
Oh
my
what else? Little
goodness,
tears and
angel
angels.
decorations. Those ones will go perfect on our white tree.
Thank you.
What are you singing? Good job, Ed. Hey!
Oh, Mom, this is so cute. Priscilla handmade this with her family for all the girls. So that was so nice, Priscilla.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Priscilla.
Say we love it.
I love it.
Okay, Indy picked this one earlier. This one's from Della. Can you open that one? Let's see where Della's from. Let me see it. This is from Indiana. Indiana. Della from Indiana. What is it, Indy?
Oh, it's books.
Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Halloween stuff. You love that. Let's see. Oh, look.
I want you to take these.
Oh,
Let me
these
see
are
what it
cute
is, Indy.
pencils.
Oh, they're little sticker treats.
Sticker treats.
Open it up, girls.
That's awesome.
That's so cute.
Okay, girls, say thank you, Della.
Say we love our stickers. Thank you so much. Thank you, Della. All right, Mama, this one is all the way, is it Moana? M-O-U-N-A.
Okay.
All the way in Maroc. M-A-R-O-C. Okay, I'm feeling kind of like silly right now because I don't know where that's at. I'm gonna have to go look it up on a map.
Go look it up.
This is from Maroc, from Moana or Moana. And Scarlett picked this one, so she gets to open this one. Okay, go ahead, sweetheart. You excited? What is in there? What is it? Just let Scarlett, just let Scarlett. Wait. Scarlett's gonna...
Oh my gosh.
goodness.
Look how cute
You
those
each
shoes
got your
are.
own gold shoes.
Oh my gosh. In a
Mom,
little... Look, they all have their individual names
those
on
are
them.
darling.
Those are so
my
cute.
gosh.
Oh,
This
look.
one's Indy's.
This is the answer to our
Here,
question.
Indy, this one's yours. This one's yours.
No, this is mine.
That says Indy.
Look at
That
that.
says Esme. No, wait. This is Esme. This is Indy.
Daddy, this is the answer to our question.
Oh my
right
gosh.
here.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, and these must be the girls' names.
Oh wow.
That is so cool.
Oh, it's close to Casablanca. We better go. That's my favorite movie of all time. Are you kidding me?
Okay,
How
we've got
cool is that?
Indy,
Oh, Morocco.
Esme,
Morocco.
Daddy, can I open my shoes?
Scarlett.
Yes, you can open them. Let's put them on. Oh, they're so
Abby.
cute. Let's put on your shirt too.
Let's see your shoes.
Come here, Indy, and I'll put on your new shirt. You got one here. Okay, let me see this. Oh my gosh, Mom, this is so
That's
darling.
so cute.
Okay, don't move them in tight.
Do you love it?
Okay, hold on.
Oh, look at how cute those shoes are. Okay, do those come in my size? Because I'm going to need some of those.
So cute.
Those are so adorable. What do you think, sis? Those are pretty cool,
I
huh?
want to put them on.
Look how adorable these
You
girls
girls are so cute. All the way from Morocco I didn't know that Morocco is Morocco. I was a little confused. But a big thank you. Hopefully I'm saying this right. It is.
Hold on, let's focus in.
Okay,
There
we
you
got
go.
Maha and Moana.
Guys,
So
thank
sweet.
you. Look how adorable these girls are.
And they love their shirts and shoes.
All right, Evie's picking one out of the pile. Is that the one you're gonna choose?
I like this.
Okay, let's see.
This one's from Amazon, and Evie's gonna open it up, and we're gonna find out who it's from.
Can I help you right here on top? Yeah. Okay, you pull the bottom. Like this. You pull that. Okay. Now let Evie pull it out. Let Evie pull it out. Let me see what it is. Puzzles!
Oh, you girls love puzzles!
Oh my gosh, more puzzles! Okay, everybody gets one. Let's give everybody one. Let's open this up and we'll give everybody one.
I like to open it.
Okay, open it up.
Thank you, Laurel. This is from Laurel Seek, and she sends the girls stuff a lot, and we love it. Thank you.
And they are so into puzzles right now, Laurel. Yeah, I think they're excited.
I think they love this.
Okay, let's see them all. It
It does match. You love that. We're going to do puzzles later.
The same.
Oh. Okay, let me help you cut it.
You want to do that one?
Here we go. This package is from Nicole Briggs Johnson, all the way in Brandon, Florida. And Ezzy has picked this one. So she gets to open this one. Watch your fingers, girls. Okay? Ezzy gets to open it.
What's in there?
Peppa! Oh, the Grinch!
Oh, the Grinch!
Everybody gets one! Look, everybody gets a
The
Grinch
Grinch coloring books, girls.
And Peppa too. Oh, and Peppa's Santa.
Oh, and
Oh
Frozen.
my gosh. Scarlett jumped
Scarlett.
for that one. One for you, one for Evie, one for Ezzy. Do you love it? Girls, do you love this gift?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so fun.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Nicole.
Thank you, Google.
Say we love you, Nicole.
Say we want to come visit you in Florida.
Yeah, especially because it snowed here.
Thank you, Nicole.
This is going to keep them so busy today. That makes me happy.
Scotland.
All right, this package is from Scotland.
Okay, this is from Elizabeth in Scotland, and she has sent us packages before. She's so sweet, so thoughtful of the girls.
I can't.
Okay, here we go. Let's see.
Well, you can't see because the box isn't open yet,
Yeah,
silly.
you gotta let me open it.
I can't see.
What is it, Indy? Ooh.
Everybody gets one? What?
Oh, it's a dinosaur egg.
It's a dinosaur egg, girls.
Just like the one Papa got you that will hatch.
There's a dinosaur, and we put it in the water, and it grows big.
Should we
Remember
do
that?
those today?
Oh, that looks so fun. Look at them, they're opening it right up.
Okay, go put yours up by the TV. It's got to sit up by the TV for a little bit. And then we'll put it in water today,
Wow.
okay? Poor thing.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys, we got another box here. This one is from Nathan Stanbridge, all the way in Australia. Girls, this is from Down Under. What is it?
The Australian food shop.
Whoa.
Oh my
Whoa.
gosh, it's just like
Whoa. Oh, it's Christmas. Oh, check it out. Whoa, these are like little Australian treats. Okay, those look good. Holy cow. I've never seen treats like this. Sprinkles. Oh, those are little frogs alive candies. Oh, hey.
Ruffles. Let's see if they taste as good as
Yeah, those are Ashley's favorite kind. What did you get? Oh, those are for Daddy. Yep, those are for Daddy.
It's
just like them.
That was so awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
We love you. And we love all of your treats.
Yes,
Thank you, Nathan. Next one is from Dream Big Productions in Arizona. I think we've gotten some from them before, haven't we?
Yes.
Okay, and they sent another one for the girls. Go ahead, girls. What is it?
We're going to open up nicely. Oh my gosh. Blast from the past. I had these when I was little.
Oh, a cassette. The girls don't even know what that is. That's funny. Oh, what is it, girls? Oh, it's your little magnets. You guys recognize those. We've had some of those before.
She's singing the alphabet.
Oh, that's so cute. Do we have a name or is it just Dream Big?
There's nothing else in here. It just says Dream Big.
Well, thank you, Dream Big Productions out of Arizona. Girls, can you say thank you? Say, I love to learn my alphabets. They're busy.
She spelled Tex.
Wrong state, sis. All right, we've got one from the, is it Maring family?
Maring?
The Maring family in Tracy, California. Girls, this is coming from California.
Let me have the card. Mommy has the card.
Here.
Judy and Olivia.
Judy and Olivia in California.
Look, it's Peppa. Oh my goodness.
That is so cute. Look, there's one for everybody.
Oh,
And they've got names.
It's a
Oh,
pillowcase.
those are so cute. Oh my gosh. Let me see, Indy. Let me see. Show me. Oh, wow. Everybody got one, Mama?
Yeah.
Who is this from again? Judy and Tracy?
Judy and Olivia.
Judy and Olivia, excuse me.
From Tracy, California.
Tracy, California, okay. Judy and Olivia, thank you so much.
Seriously, are going to love these.
These are so
much.
cute. We're going to put these on their pillows tonight.
Look at Ezzy already laying on hers.
That's so cute.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Judy.
Thank you, Judy.
Say thank you, Olivia.
Thank you, Olivia.
We love you.
These are my sleeping bags for the rest
Look
of the
at
day.
this. They think they're so fun. Thanks, Judy and Olivia. That was so sweet. Okay, we've got one last gift today. It is from Babette. Hopefully I said that right. In France. All the way in France, girls. Let's see what we got.
My Little Pony. An LOL surprise.
Oh, wow. My Little Pony. That's from Mom's childhood. Holy
My
cow.
Little Pony.
Show me, Indy. Oh, sticker book.
And trees.
Oh, I'll take those.
Oh.
Thank you. I'm just going to say Beth. How about that?
Babette.
Babette.
B-A-B-E.
Babette.
Babette.
That is so sweet. Thank you so much, Babette. Hey, can you say thank you, Indy?
Thank you. I'm gonna open it.
You are opening it. Scarlett, can you tell Beth thank you?
Thank you.
Say I love you. That was so sweet. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you everyone so much for sending these presents. Can you girls say thank you?
Thank you.
Say we love you so much.
We love you so much.
We're gonna have so much fun playing with all of our new things tonight.
Thank you for all of that.
Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Mwah.
See you guys.
Love you.
Ezzy, what did you do? What did you do?
There are stickers on me.
Did you put the stickers all over you? Oh my goodness sakes. That took some time and dedication. Oh my gosh. It is, look Tyson, they're like almost don't even have any of the wood part showing anymore.
Girl, what did you do?
What are you doing to your pony?
Look at it. Look how meticulous they are about placing
I
the
know.
stickers.
Look, it's so crazy. Like, look at these. They like tried to just cover it completely. Girls.
A scary monster.
What does a scary monster say?
Wow.
Oh. Scarlet. Scarlet. Don't you turn away from me. I want to see your scary monster face. Ah, you're falling over. All right, these guys have recruited their sisters to help completely cover the horse. Girls, are you completely covering that horse in stickers?
Yeah.
Well, who's gonna clean that up?
Unicorn.
Oh, it's a noonicorn? It's a noonicorn, guys. Look at that.
It kind of look like a horsey, Mom.
Yeah, it kind of does, huh, Scarly? You guys are doing such a good job.
Stay down like that.
Yeah. Do it yet.
Up on the couch.
All right, guys, so I just bought these, like, they're like empty bean bags, basically, and then you stuff them full of all the girls' stuffed animals. I was so sick of their stuffed animals everywhere, so we just filled one up, and now the girls are gonna take turns jumping off the couch.
Okay, Abby gets to go first.
Okay, go ahead, Ev.
Let's
Whoa.
put it out a little bit further so you can jump far. Okay, jump onto it. Ah! Now it's Scarly's turn. Yes, Scarly! Yes! Yeah!
Good job, girls.
That's a bit far.
That's a bit far.
That's a bit far.
Wow. Essie's turn.
My turn.
Girls, is that fun?
Snuggly.
It's snuggly.
Hey guys, watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
That's fun.